Practice English listening. Catching the bus. It's a bright Monday morning, and Alex is getting ready for school. He wakes up early, brushes his teeth, and gets dressed quickly. Today is an important day because he has a big math test, and he doesn't want to be late. Alex, breakfast is ready. His mom calls from the kitchen. I'm coming, Mom. Alex replies as he grabs his backpack and rushes downstairs. In the kitchen, his mom has made a delicious breakfast of scrambled eggs, toast, and a glass of orange juice. Thanks, Mom, Alex says as he sits down and starts eating quickly. You're welcome, honey. Don't eat too fast, his mom advises. The bus will be here soon, but you still have a little time. Alex nods, trying to slow down. He finishes his breakfast and checks the clock on the wall. Oh no, it's almost time for the bus, he says, jumping up from his seat. He grabs his backpack and runs to the front door. Bye, Mom. See you after school, he shouts, rushing out the door. Have a great day, Alex. Good luck on your test, his mom calls after him. Alex runs down the street towards the bus stop. He can see the bus stop sign in the distance and a few of his friends already waiting there. I hope I'm not too late, he thinks, picking up his pace. As he gets closer, he hears the sound of the bus coming down the road. Oh no, the bus is almost here, Alex says to himself, starting to run even faster. His friends see him running and wave. Hurry up, Alex. The bus is coming, one of them shouts. Alex runs as fast as he can. He feels his heart pounding in his chest and his backpack bouncing on his back. Just as he reaches the bus stop, the bus pulls up and opens its doors. Phew, I made it, Alex says, catching his breath. He gets on the bus and smiles at the driver. Good morning, he says politely. Good morning, Alex. Just in time, the bus driver replies with a smile. Alex finds a seat next to his friend, Sam. That was close, Sam says. I thought you were going to miss the bus. Me too, Alex admits. I almost did, but I made it just in time. As the bus drives towards the school, Alex feels relieved. He looks out the window and sees the familiar streets passing by. He is happy to be on the bus with his friends, ready for the day ahead. Are you ready for the math test? Sam asks. I think so, Alex replies. I studied a lot over the weekend. I just hope I remember everything. You'll do great, Sam says confidently. You always do well on tests. Thanks, Sam. That means a lot, Alex says, smiling. The bus arrives at school, and Alex and his friends get off. They walk together towards the school building, talking about the test and what they will do after school. As they enter the classroom, Alex feels a little nervous but also ready. He knows he did his best to prepare, and now it's time to take the test. He sits down at his desk and takes a deep breath. I made it to school on time, he thinks. Now I just need to focus and do my best on this test. The teacher hands out the test papers, and Alex picks up his pencil, ready to start. He feels calm and focused, knowing that no matter what happens, he made it to school on time, and he's ready for the day.